We can get him here. Yep. This is our Buck Run mascot. He's a local dog that hangs out, and he likes to play fetch.
The West Virginia Division of Highways recently purchased 2 drills to help meet the demand for piling wall projects when our majestic mountains tend to fall. Employees who operate the drills are taking pride in keeping them in good condition as the division continues to expand its capabilities to do more projects with our own crews.
We're excited about the new drill. We're happy to have one that's actually state-owned that we can keep track of and just really try to get some work knocked out. Because I mean, we have more slips up here in District 6 than about anywhere in the state. And it's nice to have something that we can depend on.
The operators we got running this are excellent as far as caring about the rig and making sure that this rig that we've spent all this money on gets maintained properly and gets used properly. You know, one of the 2 operators, they were telling me this morning, actually took the manual home with him and was reviewing all the grease points, all the maintenance items on it, and just different stuff on his own time, which to me, it just shows how much they care about this rig and specifically, and they care about the job they do in general.
We're real appreciative that the state finally recognizes that we're capable of handling our own drilling rig. And I mean, when we had the rental, we really put out a lot of good work. We did. I mean, we completed a lot of jobs in that time, and I'm just glad that we're able to do it with our own rig now.